All right, quick video of the Rhode Island State Reception Room, since there's way too much to be able to take still pictures of in here. So here's the sign on the door. So you walk in and it's this huge, very pretty room. You can see all of the ornate, I don't know what you call this, architecture, or just like the way that this room is designed. It's very fancy. And then they've got the portraits on the wall here, so go along this way. Nathaniel Green. Okay, I didn't recognize that one. Some of these I don't recognize. The George Washington one's pretty obvious. This guy, Commodore John Barry, says. Okay, and yeah, this wall you got George Washington, obviously. And here is it says Commodore Oliver Hazard Perry. So you've got, yeah, your U.S. flags, your state flags. You got the little podium here, the governor. So I guess this is where they do like if there's any like televised conferences, and you can see they've got like the professional cameras. So Sony HD camera. There's a whole bunch of setup here. The little flash thingy for photos. I mean, this is like very elaborate. And you've got here's the audio stuff over here. I'm surprised they just leave this like this. You've got some, memorials here. Looks like there's a folded flag. I'm not going to touch it. But, yeah, it's ceremonial American flag. It was raised on top of Mount Suribachi, Iwo Jima, Japan, in honor of Veterans Day, November 11th, 1994. So that's what that is. I don't know what the little dirt samples are there, but yeah, it's a little memorial thing. So, yeah, this place is pretty cool. It's just open to the public. You can just walk right in here. I'm surprised, honestly. There's a computer. Someone probably sits there and does the broadcasting when they're doing a televised conference. So it looks like there's like a fireplace back here. Little metal statues next to it. Yeah, this is very cool. Even the lamps are like super fancy. Yeah, this room is very neat. Of course, the chairs are all tied off. They don't want people sitting in them. I could see that. And then, let's see, what do we got over here? Relics of General Nathaniel Green bequeathed to the state of Rhode Island by Catherine Porter Green of Princeton, New Jersey. Okay. So you've got little, field epaulettes and dress epaulettes. So maybe I'm saying that wrong. And then it looks like a sword. Yeah, it says sword, and then this says camp desk. And then got little flags. It's cool. I don't know if I'm missing anything else in here. I think I showed you everything. Sorry that the camera's so zoomed in. It just does that when I'm shooting in 4K. But yeah, so I'll do one last little look around at the portraits on the wall here, because I did one up high when I walked in, but I didn't do one at this level. So, okay. Just standing in place, panning the camera around. There's not a portrait on this side because that's the window looking out. And we're back to Washington. So, yeah, got a carpet with the state seal on it. 1636. Seal of the state of Rhode Island. And it looks like this one, yeah, it's just the same one over here. Just a symmetrical carpet. So, yeah. There you go. That is the state reception room in the Capitol building, the State House in Providence, Rhode Island.